Hello everyone. Hello. This is Barrett. Welcome to this new live session. As always, let me know if you can hear me, and then we'll get started real soon. Hello everyone. Alright, yeah, you should be able to hear me, by the way. So let's just notify everyone on Discord that we're live. Hope everyone is doing great. Hope everyone is having a great weekend. And as always, we're here on Friday with this live stream on Elliott Wave. Awesome. So let's. But yeah, guys, please let me know if you can hear me. Let me know. As always, let's queue up the request. And how's everyone doing? It's been 2 weeks as always. We're here. Hello. John Public Discord. All right. Great. All right. But yeah, guys, you guys ask me anything to analyze. All right. Another day in the market. Another week. And as always, we're ready to look at many different things that are going on. So, AJ, all right, we got a request coming. That's great. But yeah, you guys ask me whatever. We'll line them up, and then we'll see what I can do to help you guys out. So let me just. I need to bring the brightness down of my monitor because this light is blinding me. All right, so FX. Where's FX? AJ. Let's go on the daily. All right, interesting. We're here. Well, it's an interesting area. It looks like. So it looks like two things as of right now. That's what it looks like to me. It looks like it could be. It looks like something like this. I mean, that's a possibility. Up in A, triangle in B, and then end in diagonal in wave C. I guess we can see that as a possibility. But that would mean we have further downside to go. So that's one way to look at it. Other than that, let me just, oh crap. Otherwise, well, really, that's my preferred actually. I'm gonna be conservative. So that's on long term. Otherwise, I mean, yeah, I wouldn't do anything right now. So let's take a look at gold. By the way, guys, if you just joined us, welcome. You guys asked me anything to analyze, go check out the free Discord. The link is pinned in the chat. You guys ask me whatever, anything you want me to analyze. and I'll try to take a look at it using the Elliott Wave Theory. So here we had the possible 1-2 on gold. We were expecting resistance here, and we kind of got it, kind of twice for the time being. So I would say either we're in 1-2, and then again 1-2. I mean, it would make sense to keep following this count, but we would need to kind of start to accelerate to the upside. But it's possible. Not sure what you guys think. Happy to know what you guys think. But obviously that would say we have a low in place. Otherwise, this could end up, this wave 1 could end up being a leading diagonal. That is also possible. I don't know. I guess we'll have to find out. But those are both possible. But yeah, let me know if you had any questions on gold. And again, guys, if you just joined us, let me know. Welcome, first of all. And let me know what you would like to take a look at it. And don't forget to join for Discord if you aren't already in it. And then what else? What else can I show you guys? Yeah, you guys keep requests coming. Let me know if you have any questions. We can take a look at the indices. So an interesting thing about the indices is how if you actually were in the Discord on Elliott Wave here, when was it? It was December 5th. You can just check it out just by joining the free Discord. This was all for free, remember. I said ABC, potentially if I was completed, and at the time I was looking for further downside. Looking for potential resistance, come soon. So basically I was looking for downside, as I was saying, as the chart was suggesting. That was December 5th. I think that was a 3-hour chart. Boom. That was the top, and we moved lower from there. And now the question is if we will get further downside, and it's possible. And yeah, we should start to face resistance right now where we are. And yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen. But overall, I don't think there's really any reason to turn bullish for the time being, at least. So that was pretty much sums up. Also for the SPY, for the S&P, for the Simero, and I guess we'll find out one wave at a time. Let's see how it's the DAX. The DAX is a bit more bullish. And interesting enough, the VIX is apparently trying to stay lower than it has been in a long time. But yeah, as always, let me know if DXY. Okay, we'll take a look at DXY, and yeah, you guys keep your requests coming. So the dollar, I remember we were looking at the possibility of a top here in place. 1, 2. We could perhaps start to get something like this. Let me show you 1, 2, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And maybe we could get a bit of a larger pullback now to then resume lower. But overall, it looks like we have topped indeed here, and we're resuming lower. But yeah, that would be my take on it. Let me know if there's any questions about it. The meantime, I shared on here an interesting setup for Texas Insurance TXN ticker symbol, and this is a trade I took myself. Now remember, these are not trader recommendations, as I'm not a financial advisor. It's just what I do, and I did enter. As you can see, I'm being very conservative, but basically I'm looking for a potential triangle, I have to say, in wave 4, or anyways a sideways wave 4, and then looking for a further upside into wave 5 to complete the out move. So we'll see what's gonna happen, but overall this looks bullish corrective to me, as I see further potential upside developments. And similar situation here in Deer and Co. It's been moving higher for a long time. This whole move seems bullish corrective, meaning that I would expect further upside. So let's see what's gonna happen. This is a bit more risky, I have to be honest. I prefer TXN. And here on Bitcoin again, I posted the other day on the Discord about it, on public chat, I believe. We see what seems to be an impulsive move off the lows in 5 waves. So I was expecting down, up in wave B, and down in wave C. And that was yesterday. So it happened fairly quickly. We've had down, potentially up. And now I have to be honest, I'm looking for downside. But we'll see how it's going to develop. But overall, I'm looking for downside. I don't favor... I mean... Eventually, in the long term, I can see something like this happening. But I would like to see one more, like, lower before resuming higher. That's just how it is. And yep, let me know if you have a question on that too. And yeah, let me know if there's anything you guys want me to take a look at. Otherwise, I'll just keep showing you around. But yeah, so far all the predictions, all the forecasts I sent, they played out perfectly. It's not always the case, but it is most of the time. And the best thing about it, you would be getting it for free, which is nice, at least in my opinion. Oh yeah, we'll just do a crypto roundup. So here on EU, we're looking at the possibility of this wave 4, which it is losing a big credibility as it's getting quite large. But it seems that obviously this down move is ended, as we finally broke through, and now it seems like it's starting to struggle to continue higher, which makes sense. So we could see, you know, as I was saying, we could see down a bit of a pullback here, just like we could see it on the opposite side on what's it called, DXY, so on the dollar. Maybe some kind of ending diagonal. Could this be the case? I don't know. I guess we're gonna have to find out. Yeah, we're gonna have to find, but that's kind of what it looks like. Maybe ABC, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I guess that's a possibility. But yeah, that's U, which I kind of like this scenario, to be honest. You see how we're also getting, hello Sam, how you doing, man? We're also getting other side divergence here, so it makes sense for a bearish scenario. Let me also see one thing. Yep. All right. But yeah, guys, if you just joined us, welcome. Let me know. Feel free to ask me for anything to analyze. I'll take a look at it. We're here taking a look at EU, and yeah, just let me know anything you want to take a look at. I'm happy to do so. Yeah, and also don't forget to join the free Discord. Link is pinned in the chat. So, all right, yes, Em, I saw your request. We'll just finish up the Forex roundup, and then we'll go on to that for sure. Thanks for joining us. So here it's pretty similar to you, I'd say, similar to you. Not gonna really add much, but yeah, I can say it really similar. And the Aussie, it's a bit more complicated. I'm thinking, which is not necessarily a good thing. Just kidding. Perhaps something like this. Perhaps something like this. So yeah, we'll see. But overall, yeah, I would expect a pullback here too. It makes sense. And silver, let's go look at silver. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, we can expect further upside for sure. Yeah, a bit more upside. I'd say at least here we can get around there. It makes sense. But to be honest, as a trader myself, the most interesting one that I find is this EU setup. It's quite interesting because we have lots of confluence. Let me see wave C against A. Okay, so we're around at 1.618. Yeah, nice confluence here. So that's as a trader I like. But remember, mine are not financial advices anyway. But yeah, if you just join us, and I've been saying this if you haven't just joined us. But let me know if there's anything you want to take a look at, and I'll be happy to take a look at whatever you guys want. So here we go with Sam TWT USD. We'll go with the Binance one, I guess. Who interesting? Oh, this is interesting. Let me know if there's any other one with more data. But yeah, obviously, I would be careful with it. Not sure what this is. However, from a purely Elliott Wave standpoint, yeah, it looks like this could have easily been some sort of triangle in wave B. So this could have easily been some sort of wave A, B, and you were looking for wave C, which I'm not sure where it's gonna land. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe. I know. I'd be careful. But yeah, that's pretty much. Yeah, let me know if there's any questions. How do you count Elliott wave? You need to be able just to count up to 5. No, I mean, there's really no secret. You just gotta learn the theory. Just get the book, read it, then read it again, study it, learn it, breathe it, speak it, and then you'll. I mean, that's what I did, to be honest. I just read the book, practiced a lot, and here am I. Yeah, that's what I did. Yeah, guys, if you just join us, let me know if there's anything you'd like to take a look at, and I'll be happy to do so. Or if there's any questions you have. Yeah. Yeah, just let me know if there's anything you want to take a look at. Otherwise, I'll try to show you something interesting. Oh, interestingly enough, I have one book I recommend is either I think it's called The Wave Principle by Proctor, or R.N. Elliott's Masterworks, also by Proctor. Those are the books I would recommend. So one interesting thing is what's going on here on Apple, because this looked like a potential wave 4 to me, and it makes sense for it to be wave 4. That's all I can say. Oh, you're very welcome. You're very welcome. But yeah, this looks like, as I was saying, a potential triangle. Maybe. Just throwing it out there. How's Tesla doing? Not well. Facial data, alright. Oh, Netflix kind of. It looks like it's invalidating my account. Okay. Okay, sorry. So you're saying Ripple, XRP. Oh yeah, it looks like it's going lower. Or I mean, really, it's going more than lower. I should say nowhere. There's not really much movement, but it's all a series of 3. This is all like forex, so I feel like it's worth just for very quick trades. Not really more of a swing trading approach as I am more used to, or at least I prefer. It's not doing that well, is it? All right. What else? What else can we take a look at? Nifty looks like it's pulling back a bit more now. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. This makes sense. But yeah, overall, it looks like we might have. It looks like we resumed the trend, so we can on the pullbacks here on the Nifty, we can look for upside. Now, one thing I don't know if I ever mentioned, but is the Turkish index, which I've been monitoring for quite some time, for a few months now, and it's just been skyrocketing. No, I don't think like everyone is talking about it, but it's like almost free money. I mean, again, don't take my word for it, but it's, I mean, look at it. I mean, since February, which is when, I mean, the stock market, the American stock market, topped in at the end of November, so around here. So this rally 180%, while the American stock market, I don't know, lost around 10, 15, maybe 10 now. We're 10 off the lows. So that's quite interesting in my opinion. But yeah, just wanted to bring that up. But yeah, I mean, again, let me know if there's anything I can help you with. Let me just have a sip of water. Yeah, talking with no break can be harder than someone could imagine. But okay, yields moving lower. All right, that's interesting. Nifty. S&P Litecoin LTC. Yep. I feel like I used to have account for it, didn't I? Well, I mean, it is not the best looking chart. I mean, look at it. I feel like it's just suited for as I said, just like Forex, quick trades, like day trades, swing, scalp in, but long term, there's not really value in it, is there? So my advice would be stay away from it. I mean, like one thing I can see is, for instance, we've had this up move. We're at equality and we're rejecting equality, so we could think about further downside. That's a possibility. But yeah, it's not the best thing I've ever seen. Alright. Anything else, guys? What can I help you with? Let's have fun together. Yep. So, let's see. Yeah, not sure what I could show you. Oh, here on Exxon, it looks like we may have topped. That's what it looks. I mean, because this move down was quite aggressive, so I feel like there's that possibility, as we're all do. We pass all-time highs, and we're now into the previous all-time high. So I guess we're gonna find out, but it is interesting for sure. So, Cat Yen, do I have it here? Oh, I don't think I do. I don't. Oh, yes, I do. Wow. Red, gold, and green. Okay. So, yeah, I mean, the chart kind of speaks for itself. Looking for downside. I mean, look at this. I think so. That's why I can't stress important. Oh, it's not equality. Oh, we just missed equality. It's interesting. But yeah, this I'll be looking for downside. We could get some kind of a pullback to the upside, but overall, maybe be careful as we also approach support. GJ, do I have it here? No, I don't. GJ. Again, moving. I think it's same as last update. Yes, I think this is confirmed. So I'll be looking for one last move lower. Which could even be traded, to be honest. But then yeah, overall downside, like could place maybe a stop in here. Elliott Wave wise, we could go past this point. So this wouldn't be wave kind of validation. However, you could just place it there for the sake of it. Or if you do have a strategy, you could just use your own. But yeah, I would be looking for something like this. That'll be what I'd yeah, that's what I look for. Let me know what you think about it, or if you just join us, let me know if there's anything I can take a look at it, and I'll be happy to. How do you count? Let's find out, Sam. Let's find out. So after 2022. So there's a good question. What if we have an extension into this wave 5? What do you say? How does it look? Yeah, I guess you could call it. Maybe 5. You could squeeze it. 1, 2. Maybe. Nah. Just kidding. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. But yeah, I would be super bullish. I don't think there's any reason not to be extremely bullish. So yeah, maybe something like that. A 5th wave extended? I don't know. I'm open to all the possibilities. Were you thinking about something? But yeah, let me know. Let me know about that. Take a look at ESD CAD. Which, yeah, we could see perhaps another move lower. That's possible. You expect a correction? Well, that's possible. I would yeah, I would say yes. However, I'd expect this previous high to be broken first, and then yeah, maybe we can start to get a larger correction. I agree. ETH. Let me show you there. I actually checked on ETH this morning, so this is a weekly chart. As you can see, I'm still tracking down this possibility, 1 2 3 4, and here looking for upside, though it's starting to bug me a bit. It's taking a bit too long to take off, a bit longer than expected, but yeah, it's possible. But the thing is, if we look like on 3-hour chart, it either we have 1 2 3 4 a truncated fifth, or else I'm just off road, or else it's just a 3-wave move. So I guess we're gonna have to find out, because on Bitcoin we did have the top, but we don't here, so we're gonna have to find out. But yeah, that's about it. Anything else, guys? What can I help you with? What can we take a look at? Not sure. How are the metaverse cryptos doing? Not well, I suppose. Indeed. Oh, nice. So yeah, we topped here on sand. So I want to do it. Oh, here on Solana is quite interesting. Oh yeah, this could be continuation lower. Could be. What is Polkadot saying? Oh, yeah. No reason to be bullish, really. Alright, guys, so it looks like I'm gonna call it a day and a week. As always, thank you all for joining. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think I'll start to do this every week, and I think I'll do a poll on when's the best day and time for you, so that we can get as many people as possible onto these live streams, and they can just take as much advantage as possible. So yeah, I guess that's it for me, and hope you guys enjoyed it. As I said, as always, subscribe if you're not. Join the public Discord. It's free. The link is in the description of this video. And all I can say is, you guys have a great weekend, and